Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading In. Today in this short video I am going to show how I made a profit of 253 points in Bank Nifty options trading, the entry and exit point, everything I am going to explain in this small video. As you can see, today the Bank Nifty had a very wide CPR. The first candle was a very bullish candle, but it stuck inside between the top CPR and even the bottom CPR. Yesterday the market opened below this weekly low. Today the market opened bit gap up and it stuck inside the top CPR and the bottom CPR. So I waited for the right entry. When I saw this red candle, that is the fifth candle, started reversing from this doji type of a candle, I went short, means I bought PE, because Nifty was facing resistance near this Camarilla pivot R4. See, it started facing resistance near that region, and even the Bank Nifty had a very wide CPR. Sometime it will face resistance near the top CPR, and even though as a retail buyer what we do, whenever we see the big green candle, we immediately jump into a trade without waiting for the right entry. Usually whoever saw like it broke the CPR, they could have entered long, but without realizing it will touch the day's low. So I waited for the right opportunity and I went short in this fifth candle. When I saw this, it started taking support near the central CPR. I exited the trade because I got a good risk reward, 1:3 risk reward trade, because the Nifty was having a strong support of top CPR. Sometime it will touch the top CPR and it will reverse. Even though it dragged further, whoever missed the rally, they could have again entered the trade and they could have booked their profit near this day's low in Nifty. Because when I planned my trade, it worked, so it met my criteria, so I exited the trade and again I waited patiently for the right entry to go long. As you can see, when the candle started touching near this day low, I went long in this candle because the Bank Nifty was having a strong support of wide CPR, that is the bottom CPR. The bottom CPR acts as a strong support in a wide CPR but not in a narrow CPR. So when the candle started taking support near this bottom CPR, bottom daily CPR, I went long in this green candle by buying 35,800 call option, and I booked my profit near this top CPR, because sometime it will face resistance, it will reverse and again it may retest. Even though the candle broke the top CPR, but as a options buyer we need a momentum, and even I got a good risk reward trade, because in this trade my risk was only 30 points and I got a good 153 good reward trade in this second trade. So totally I got a 253 points. Initially in this first trade I got a reward of 100 points. In the second trade I got a total 153 points with a risk of 30 points. Even in second trade I took a risk of 30 points. Even in first trade I took a risk of 30 points. So totally I got a reward of 253 points in Bank Nifty options trading. I am going to show in my chart. See, this is a 36,100 P option. When this fourth candle, that is the third, fourth, fifth candle started taking support near this support region, that is near the 250, I went short, means I bought P option and I booked my profit near this central CPR, that is near 375. So totally I got a profit of 100 points. And even I am going to show, even in this call option, when the candle started taking support near this bottom weekly CPR, I went long 350. I booked my profit near this top CPR, that is near this 478. So as you can see, the candle started facing resistance near this top CPR and even this central here in this 35,800 call option. So I booked my profit near this region. So as a options buyer, we need to know where should be my entry point and where should be your exit point. If it work, we should take our trade and we should book our profit and exit. That is the thing we have to do as a options buyer in options trading. If you like this small video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you.